Welcome once again. So today we are going to talk about representational system and a little bit deeper into it. So in my last video I spoke about visual, auditory, kinesthetic, olfactory, gustatory, the five ways in which we represent the data that we receive from the external environment in our mind as maps. So based on that, each one of us have our own preferred way of representing things. So before I say representing, we can make it into a kind of word like representing. Alright, so remember this, both words, one is representing, the other one is representing. So when I said preferred way of representing, so when I looked into myself, my preferred way, mostly it is an visual one. Okay, so it doesn't mean that all the other modalities I will not be using. It means that I had been conditioned to take in visual information, as well as I had been conditioned to represent it visually when I am talking or when I am expressing myself. So like that, each one of us have our own preferred way of representing things. So check out what is your way of representing things. So my way, I prefer sketching, painting and representing as images. Even while I close my eyes and think inside my mind, I think with images. So as you know, light travels faster than sound. Someone who is processing with auditory, means audio level, so they listen to sounds, they talk inside their mind and they have a kind of representation. So that is how the auditory represents. So the processing of auditory is a bit slower than the processing of visual. Also, there is a pros as well as cons, which we will look into our later videos. And the kinesthetic level of representing things. So the way that they take in information is by touch, feel, and then they have to hold it, they have to grab it, they have to really do it so that they can understand it. So it's so interesting, by the way. And when all these three is combined, you know, there are olfactory and gustatory. So usually olfactory and gustatory works while we are in an environment where you know, let's say while we are dining, we smell it and then we start salivating, and then while we are eating that, you know, we have that kind of feeling. And these two modalities not much being used predominantly, so we will keep it a little aside. Anyway, that is very, very important, which we will take appropriately. So as of now, the three ways that we represent things, one is visual, the other one is auditory, other one is kinesthetic. And what is your way of representing things? Find out, check it out. So how you can check it out? You can ask yourself, what you do? Means you prefer watching movies, or you prefer, you know, watching a kind of, let's say you are reading, your whole focus goes on the pictures over there given, or you listen to audiobooks, or you listen to songs, okay, and then you sing songs, right? And then feeling is, you know, living visual and auditory, you want to do things like, you know, cooking, you go and do things, and you do a kind of crafty material, and you want to play some games. So that's mostly kinesthetic. It's very, very important, my dear friends. Once you understand how you represent things, then we are going to enter into a more beautiful arena, because life is so enriching for us. So keep on waiting. and watching and subscribing us. Thank you.